In this video, we'll show you 3 ways to change the color of your Instagram stories background. We'll show you how to use editing tools on your story post, how to use the Create tool, and using pre-made backgrounds. Instagram gives you the option to customize your story post by adding text to your post. Select a photo, one you're tagged in or one from your library, to upload. Edit the image by pinching the screen to adjust the photo size. In the story draft screen, tap the scribble icon. Tap the pen tool before choosing a color from the bottom menu bar. This will allow you to add text. To add opaque text to your post, tap the highlighter icon before selecting a color. Tap and hold the slider on the screen to adjust the brush sizes. This is helpful when you are coloring your story post. To add neon colored text, hit the wand icon before selecting a color. Tap the eraser icon to reveal a part of the post hidden by text or color. You can always hit the undo button to reverse an action. There's an easy way to create a story background if you'd like to just add text. On the Instagram homepage, tap the story icon or swipe right. Tap the font icon to create a blank Instagram story. Tap the colored circle from the bottom menu to change the background color. Select your desired tool to add text and graphics to the background. Instagram makes it easy to upload a photo from your library to use as the background of your Instagram story. On Instagram, tap your story and open your photo gallery. Choose your desired photo and use 2 fingers to expand the background over the entire screen. Customize your story as you want. And tap the check to save your changes. Now, you are ready to post your story with a customized background.